Learned a skill but don't know where to get freelance jobs? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 websites where beginners can find freelance work in 2025 or without experience. Free to join. No degree needed. Real job opportunities. Let's get started. Upwork. First and most powerful platform, Upwork. Perfect for skills like writing, design, video editing, transcription, etc. Tip for beginners: apply only to jobs with payment verified. Use filters for new clients and fixed price. Link upwork.com. Fiverr. Next is Fiverr, the best for absolute beginners. You create a gig, and clients contact you. Example gigs: artist palette, Canva designs, page facing up, resume writing, video camera, video editing. Make a clear title, thumbnail and description. Link erearn.com. freelancer.com. This platform is similar to Upwork but less competition. You bid on jobs writing, voiceover, marketing, anything. Beginner tip: use daily free bids and don't spam apply. freelancer.com. Less popular but still powerful, people per hour. Focuses on short gigs like social media design, transcription, small blog writing tasks. peopleperhour.com. Last one, Workina. Growing fast in Asia and Latin America. Great for mobile-based users and digital tasks. Fewer freelancers equals more chances for beginners. Link workina.com. Pick 1 to 2 platforms only, not all. Create your profile, learn how the site works, and start applying daily. Comment below, started with platform name, and I'll reply with tips. Thumbs up, like, bell, subscribe and share for real freelancing tips only on Earnify Hacks.